right. Should be good to go. Good morning, Gio. I'm doing good. How are you doing this morning? Friday NFP was semi-boring, honestly. Taking the day off, watching the charts without trading. Yeah, I generally don't like trading NFP day. If I get a really good looking setup, I would take it, but yeah. Generally, the day before NFP and the day of NFP, I just lose more than I win, generally speaking. So yeah, hopefully everyone's doing well. We did have a bunch of news at 8:30. Hopefully you guys could have passed some evals if you did try and do that. That exactly what I said. Said yesterday, NFP usually moves at least 80 points. And the data candle there was 87 points. So good morning, happy Friday. Do you have any update with automatic trading program you sent us? Yeah, we're working on kind of making it a little prettier, finalizing some stuff. The Algo will be released hopefully sometime this month. It's, probably towards the end of the month, but you're on. If you click join, you're on the wait list. You didn't get charged. You're not going to get charged until we send out info when it's actually getting released. So until then, you're just on the wait list. Nothing to worry about. You're not getting charged sitting on it. It's just once we release it, then you're good. So yep, nothing to worry about. We're just finalizing stuff, and yeah, so of course. How can you tell? Yeah. See this though. Actually, yes, I swam at Alabama for 4 years. So kind of got to be an Alabama fan, you know. You live in Alabama? Son's planning to go there. Cool. That's cool. Yeah, I liked Alabama's great campus, good weather, besides tornadoes in the spring. And yeah. Good morning, Jonathan. How you doing this morning? Hopefully everyone's doing well on this Friday. Weird action after NFP. I mean, not very good. Gio could tell you himself, the expert analysis man, that ain't very pretty action. NFP, a good NFP will move 150 points. This one moved 80. And it's just, yeah, ugly. Just ugly. It was pretty underwhelming. Yeah, it really was. I just don't love the reactions of it, honestly. Reaction's not good. We have about 4 minutes till the open. Have you guys been following up on the Trump and Elon drama? Anybody? Oh, okay, when is it open here? 27. Okay, 3 minutes here. Yeah, it is a bit crazy. I haven't been following it too much. I just like it is kind of funny though, but it's not kind of funny. Tesla's down 20% in the last 5 days, just from the drama. Yeah, 20% down. Hey Kelly, SBS is fully automatic. We do recommend you manage it though. So all that means is it'll enter the trades for you, exit the trades for you. We just recommend kind of glancing at your screen when you do get into a trade to make sure, hey, like, I'm all good to go, you know. Sometimes the NinjaTrader platform can be buggy, so you may get like stopped out and for whatever reason you're left in one contract or something. In that case, that's just why you glance at the screen and you just simply click the close button. Maybe for a new trader sounds complicated. It's not very complicated at all, but yeah, it's fully automatic to give you one answer. So no, you can run it all day. Generally, most people start at around 9:35 or so. You know, start of the New York session, and generally they just go for 1 or 2 nice wins. They're not trading it all day because it's just an easy way to take away your profits. So if you get, you know, like this morning on a Friday, we just had a bunch of news. It's Friday. If we get 1 full win right on our first trade, I'd just shut it down, take our money, and we'll go, you know, leave and enjoy our day. So generally I recommend, you know, shoot for 1 or 2 losses, shoot for 1 or 2 wins, and if you get 1 or 2 losses, then you could call it too, right? You just got to make those rules for yourself. So of course, we just had, you know, people are really boring in the Discord lately. We have 17 of you in here. I posted in the announcements yesterday that one of our SBS members got a $1,200 payout yesterday, and one of them passed a eval with SBS yesterday. And you guys can't even click the reaction button. There's only like 4 reactions on the thing, and there's 17 of you in here. You just got to go in and click a reaction, man. Disappointing. Disappointing. Okay, someone just reacted. Who was it? It was Gio. Yep. Shameful. Shame on you, Gio. Or it was Kelly. I don't know. Pushing up here on the open, we do have, again, the new algo, the trend bender, is top right. And then our 32 range with the indicator filter on, the RSI filter, top left. The 32 range non-filter, bottom left. And the 30-second with RSI filter, bottom right. I guess it would be this way on the... So we are eligible for trades now. 9:32 is when I have the live stream settings set to. Generally, I recommend 9:35, but Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. All right, there's the poll. Did you try and pass any evals on the NFP news? Let me know. I've made multiple videos before going over that. Wiki on the open, man. Very wiki. Also, NQ is moving down while ES is moving up. So what does that tell me? As soon as ES starts to move lower, NQ is gonna sell off quick. Or vice versa. If NQ starts to pick up, ES is gonna really start to move up fast. But we don't like to see ES and NQ that uncorrelated, so gonna have to watch that carefully. $9.35 currently, so everyone should be pretty much having their stuff enabled. I don't think we have any more news this morning as well. We do not. Nothing high impact, at least. Remember that SBS is not a high frequency trading algorithm, so we're not gonna get into like 100 trades in a morning. We might get into 1, we might get in none, or we might get 8 or 10. So it's never gonna be 100, I'll tell you that. I have a feeling it's gonna be a slow morning. Something about it. It's gonna be a slow morning. Still no entries this morning. Again, nothing to worry about. A lot of people say like, oh, it's been on for an hour. I haven't gotten a trade. Doesn't mean anything's wrong. But if you're ever doubting, then you can always send a screenshot of your settings. But choppy so far. We haven't moved. I mean, we're right at the price that we opened at, so nothing going on. This is Friday kind of price action for sure. Starting to expand to the upside here. Yeah, NFP's an interesting one for sure. I generally stay away unless there's a really good looking setup, but especially with the algos and stuff, I tend to stay away from high impact news quite often with the algorithms. Most people didn't even try the eval hack. Guys, it's a guaranteed. If you have never passed an eval or you want a funded account, it's almost guaranteed to pass. Not always, but that's why I said almost guaranteed. Yeah, I always buy or sell before the news. So I'd buy like 2 accounts, for example, and then I would buy with my take prop, my TP already set in an ATM order. So I'd buy with one account like 10 seconds before the news, and then I would short the other account before the news. So if it goes up, I pass one. If it goes down, I pass one. That's the more guaranteed way to do it than like putting an order up high and an order down low and wait for one to get hit on the news spike. So like it's guaranteed that you probably pass one, you're gonna blow the other. But so I generally do like 5 NQ contracts, and I set my TP to about 30.5 or 30.25 points. And then I buy with one account and I sell with the other account. And then pretty much all you need is 30 points of a shoot in a certain direction and you pass. As long as it doesn't like wick and then go. And that's how you lose both. But heavy uptrend so far this morning. Pretty slow action so far. We've gotten no trades. Nothing to worry about still. We have no trades on the 1 minute chart as well. 1 minute MNQ. So we're just waiting. Nothing to worry about. Trend morning. So we are up currently about 400 points since last night at 6 p.m. open. Good morning, TJ. Getting at least started. Did grab a 250k eval pass in the new morning. Nice, TJ. I think I saw that in the chat. Or someone posted something in the chat. It looked like a 250k. When was the last time we were at 22,000 price? It was March when we had the huge sell-off. Still crazy that we sold off 28% about in March. Should have bought way more. Should have added way more. It's up 32% from the lows. Dang. Maybe just be a straight uptrend morning, guys. Maybe we're going for previous day high. Kind of looks like what we're trying to go for, which is at 935. 21,935. That is the area I would be watching currently. Botfolio's up 1,700 currently in some MES longs. Boring morning. I want to see some action, but we're not going to get any action with SBS, frankly, or the new Algo if we just straight pump. So anyone doing anything interesting this weekend? Anyone? ES did sweep previous day high already, so there's a big SMT there. Man, I want to see a trade, man. Let's get a trade. Slow grind up. Ooh. ES is moving a bit lower right now. Again, we do have a big SMT. ES swept previous day high, about 8 points above it. So that'd be equivalent to like NQ sweeping the high by 30 or 40 points. But it is actually 80 points below. So we do have a divergence there. That's all that an SMT is a divergence. For anyone that doesn't know that. So what does that mean? It's a bearish SMT, so if you can see a nice short setup, it could be just an added confluence. What a boring day, guys. If we don't get any trades by 10 10:10. So in 15 minutes, then we're calling it. I'm just gonna shut everything down. I'm not gonna like sit here for an hour just hoping for a trade on the first Friday of the month on NFP day. Wow, this is a boring day, guys. I'm just gonna be completely honest. NFP, I mean, we're moving up. Like if you're in longs, yeah, you're probably making some good money still, but about from the open, we're only up 40 points from the open currently. So getting a little bit of a pullback here. It's gonna potentially give us some opportunity for some trading. Potentially giving us some opportunity here. I think the best chance for a pattern too long is coming back to the top. Yeah, I don't even know. It's pulling back, but trade, buddy. Come on. Give us a trade. Give us a good trade, not a bad trade. Give us a good trade. We're just sitting, we're chilling. It's 10 a.m. already. Again, if there's no trades by 10:10, I am shutting it down. God, I'm so bored today. I got nothing to talk about because we're not getting any trades, and I don't even see any trades manually that I would take. We're just slow grind up, so. Yeah, guys, boring morning. Boring morning. trades, man. I don't even think we're close to taking any trades. I don't. Maybe we are. I see a little. No, I don't think so. Anyone just joining? It's been a pretty boring stream. No trades with the Autotraders so far. And yeah, not even any manual trades I can call out. I mean, it's just been a slow grind up, and I'm not interested in anything personally, but usually trade a lot? No, but on a decent, morning for the auto traders, you'll get, anywhere from like 2 to 5 trades per chart, maybe. So like, 2 to 5 trades per chart. 5 would be on the higher end for an hour. But generally, like yesterday, I think we had 2 or 3 trades on the bottom left chart. We had 2 or 3 trades on the top left. Bottom right, we had, I think we just had 1 trade yesterday. So, but it does take trades more off of reversal patterns where it needs some sort of pullback. So if we don't pull back, then how can you set the bots up? There's a link in the description if you want to purchase them. Main one on the screen is SBS Autotrader. So done for the day, TJ. Have a good week. Nice. Have a good weekend, TJ. See you next week, man. I think I'm about to end the stream as well. I mean, it's just been slow. That's okay though. I would rather no trades than losing trades on a Friday. So nothing I'm worried about personally. Yeah, I think we're gonna just call it. I think we're gonna end the live. Yeah, pretty boring Friday. Yeah, I think we're gonna end live. So thank you all for joining this week. Stop by next Monday and have a good weekend, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see everybody next week.